Good morning, you guys. So today is June 1st, and I'm going to be vlogging, so you guys are just going to come along with me today and see everything that goes on. Today I do go to work around 1:30, so you guys will get to see that, and then before that I'm supposed to be doing something with my family, so let's just get the day started. Of course, I'm going to turn my music on, and I'm just going to clean up my room before I go to the restroom and get ready for the day. Alright, let's get started. You know you're my shawty, shawty. Don't let me catch you face to face in this bitch. Try hear my heart, it's not to disrespect you. After what you did, man, what you expected. You already know this, not gonna show it, you know? Cause baby, in a room full of dancers, you still all the answers. These other hoes, nothing to focus on. I need somebody real to get close to the phone. That's all you need. So this is the final look, you know, same as every day. Got my fanny pack, and y'all gonna get tired of seeing these shoes this summer. But yeah, you'll see where we're going next. Where you going for my camera?
Play if you want. I'm a young CEO. Shoot. Shout out there.
And out. So guys, in case you didn't know, this is Town Lake here in Austin. You know, it's just a nice little place to walk, you know. So me and my family are here. My mom's getting her steps, and we're all just getting our vitamin D. After this, I'm gonna go to work. That's why I have my work shirt on. And make some money, baby. Today is a really nice day, and I'm loving it. This is honestly summer vibes. Now I just need some friends in the mix, you know? I think upcoming video is, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, upcoming video is hopefully gonna be summer bucket list, like just things that I wanna like do over the summer, and like vlogs and stuff that I can make for y'all. So y'all try and send me some ideas on like what I can put on my list, but I kinda already have things. So yeah. But yeah, back to the vlog. y'all can see them. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Talking about.
Yeah, look.
That is ridiculous.
Oh my god.
We hate it, so stop.
We sick of it. We tired of it. We hate it.
Period.
No more.
Period.
Period poop.
Period poop. Look, he's big. Oh, I love. In case y'all didn't know, I love turtles. Like, I love them for some weird reason. I don't even know. But yeah, seeing one was kind of happy. Like, it made me happy. And yeah, we're just about to head back in a little bit. Just enjoy the view. Hi, you're so cute. Thank you. So we're leaving town late. Y'all know I live for moments like that. But I go to work in about an hour, so I don't know, we're probably just gonna, or I might get there early. So yeah. Next clip.
I was a gang, I was a law, I was a thinking. Remember them days and they was on and they thinking. I would have phone with us when he yelled and when he drinking. You were just quiet, I gave you my heart and stop me, yeah. I was fighting some demons, and it feels so deep in. I was racing the deep end, I know you be sinking. I think I'm gonna go deep.
Hey guys, so I'm at work early, so I'm probably just gonna jump and like show y'all random stuff, so you'll see in these next clips. Hey guys, so here at my job, I'm a party host, so before I start jumping and everything, I'm gonna get my party room set up early so I don't have to worry about it. And I can just do whatever I want. Period. Alright guys, so my boss said I could jump. I just had to flip my shirt or whatever, so, you know. Okay guys, honestly, I'm tired. I'm sorry, bro. Hold on. So, I don't get on shift for another 30 minutes. And I'm tired. At my job, hold on. So, at my job, we have laser tag, bowling, this playground I'm gonna show y'all. Then we have like just trampoline stuff, dodgeball. We got basketball, we have rope course. We have this like ball pit, but like kids pissed in there, and it's disgusting. So I don't recommend going in there. Just a little FYI. Yeah, let me show you the rest of the party.
But I can't be there for you if you shut me out.
Ernest?
Come on, girl, though. Subscribe
Wait,
to
what?
her.
Wait,
Subscribe
say it
to
again?
her. Subscribe to her.
Period.
Yeah,
Period. Hey
Hey guys, so I just got home and it's 11:30. The last time y'all saw me it was like 1:30, but I just went to my grandma's. I saw my cousin that I hadn't seen in a while, and like I just didn't really want to be on my phone, plus it was dying. So yeah, I mean, y'all don't really miss too much, but I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to follow my socials down below, and yeah, just tune into the next one. Bye.
My ring is yours, save it for me. Everything is yours, save it all for me. My ring is yours, save it for me.